name is Lucy. Today I will be talking about my most memorable vacation and why. I went to Da Nang in Vietnam for 4 days. I had a great time in Vietnam. I went to many famous places in there. On the first day, I saw many places in Da Nang and went to the night market in Da Nang. The second day, I went to Banana Hill and Golden Bridge. Then the third day, I went to various markets in Da Nang. On the last day, I swam in the swimming pool. I will be talking about why my favorite vacation is trip to Da Nang. I went with my family in fall. First, I went many places and I had a fun time. I went to Banana Hill, Golden Bridge, and many famous places. I bought many foods and things. I bought shoes in the night market. Also, I bought mango jelly too. I take many pictures in Da Nang. I saw dragon show at the river. Second, I had a fun time with my family there. I swam with them, play with them, and eat with them. In normal days, there is not a lot of time to play with my family. But in Da Nang trip, we had a fun time and we became more closer. In conclusion, my most memorable vacation is when we went to Vietnam, Da Nang. I went many places and I had a fun time with my family. Thank you for watching my video.